Remote Connect makes vehicle ownership easier by allowing you to control and monitor your Camry from your phone using the Toyota app. From the app landing page, you can press and hold lock, unlock, or start, and your vehicle will complete the command within about 10 seconds. Switching from the remote tab to status will let you know the current condition of your vehicle, such as whether your doors are locked or your tire pressure is low. The Health tab contains information about safety recalls, vehicle alerts, and more. When you're in need of maintenance, tap the service icon at the bottom of your screen. Here, you can set up a service appointment with your preferred dealer or call roadside assistance. You can tap the shop icon to monitor and manage your vehicle's trial and paid subscriptions, shop for parts and accessories, or get a quote for a personalized insurance offer. You're now ready to drive off in your new Camry. Enjoy the ride.